Hello, Coach K community. Let's go ahead and stretch our full body. And today it's actually going to be all standing. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead and roll out that mat there and let's get started. Go ahead and just stand hip distance apart. Stand up nice and tall. You're going to first bring your shoulders up to your ears. Roll them back. Bring them down and around. And again, go up towards those ears. Push back. Circle down and around for 10. In 9, we're going to reverse these shoulder rolls here. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now reverse. So you go forward to the back, then up towards those ears for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax those shoulders. Take your right hand, bring it up and over to your left ear. Then from there, pull your head down towards your right shoulder there. Make sure it's light. Don't pull too much force down onto that neck there for 10. In 9, you're going to slightly look down towards your right elbow here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to turn your head to look more down towards, it's more towards your right armpit there. Then pull from the back of the head, pull lightly down. Holding here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on up. Take that left hand up and over to that right ear. Lightly pull down to the left for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly look down more towards your left shoulder. Pull a little bit from behind and then lightly pull down from there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. I'm going to turn to the side so you guys see these next couple of exercises here. You're going to clasp your hands together. You're going to flip the hands so that they are facing away from your body. You're going to slow and controlled press your arms away, round that spine, tuck that chin. Then slowly roll it on up, bring it back on in. 2 more. Press it away, round that spine, and roll it on up. 1 more here, press it away, round that spine, and bring it on in. What we're gonna do from here is you're gonna bring your right heel forward, flex your right toes up, dig that right heel down. Now slow and controlled, you're gonna bend your left knee, send your hips back. So you can feel that pull in the back of your calf there. If you're near a wall, take that hand to that wall for extra support. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. You're gonna switch. Now your left heel digs into the mat. Left toes go up. Bend your right knee, send those hips back. Feel that pull down the back of that left calf. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Let's stretch out those quads. So I'm gonna stay here at my wall so I have that extra support. We're gonna bend our left knee, bringing the ankle to the glute. Grab the ankle, your foot, your toes with that left hand there. And hold. Softly bend your right knee so you're not locking out that right leg. Continue to pull that heel in towards that glute there for 10, 9, in 8. What I'm going to have you do is slightly open out to the left. In 3, 2, 1. So you're going to take your left knee, slightly lift out to the left side. So I'm turning my knee out, away from my body here. for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring that left foot down. I'm gonna turn and face the other way. Bend your right knee in, grab your foot or your ankle there and hold. Make sure that knee is down towards the mat, nice and parallel for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slightly open out your knee away from your body. Think open out to the right. Holding here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Turn back to face towards you guys. You're gonna bring your right foot behind your left leg. So you're crisscrossing. Take the left arm down towards the left hip. Right arm's gonna reach up and over for a nice side bend here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Switch to the other side. Right foot stays flat. Take your left leg behind the right. Right arm stays down towards your hip. Left arm comes up and over for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. We're gonna end. Feet are hip distance apart. Taking that nice big inhale, reach it up towards that ceiling there. Lengthen away. Exhale, reach those arms out to the sides of the room. Start to forward fold. Reaching down for your shins, your ankles, or those toes for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Softly bend those knees, slowly roll it on up. Last thing here, bring the hands to the stomach, close those eyes, relax those shoulders. Let's take in that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. One more here, taking that lovely big inhale. Let that stomach rise, let it fill with all of that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for joining me today. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.